Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's continue our discussion situation on the euro currency. As you can see, market shown some upward bounce yesterday by some reasons. From the fundamental point of view, that it was not too hawkish. The Fed minutes that have been released yesterday, so investors would like to get more hawkish comments and the position of the commitment of traders. So that's why the as you can see, United States dollar has shown a bit weakened action compared to that what it could show. Also, some relief has come from the France, where the chances on the winning of the Marine Le Pen a bit decreased, and that has brought some support to the euro currency. But guys, from a technical point of view, you can see it bounce up from the area around monthly pivot support one and major fib support. So as we said, it's not done yet for current head and shoulders pattern that we have, so some chance still exists that market could show the bounce here. At least right now we do not have clear proof from the market of the failure of this pattern. So market hasn't passed yet through the important validation points. That's why theoretical chance still exists that this pattern will work. From the other point of view, guys, my personal opinion, of course I could be wrong, but just based on the action that we see on intraday charts, we have mentioned this before. Yesterday also I have talked about it. Based on the action, this action seems a bit irrational for the reversal behavior. So when the market reverses in upward direction, it should behave differently. And the significant drops that we have seen current week in the intraday charts, it's breaking all supports on the intraday charts. It also looks not really good for euro currency. And my suggestion is that the chances still are greater for downward breakout rather than this head and shoulders will work. That's just my point of view. But it doesn't mean that you can't take the long position when you have the context, because these two moments are not contradict to each other. Because as I said, I could be wrong. And second, because you will have the clear technical bullish setup on the market, and you could take the position relatively safe, because at least minor reaction on the market will follow on the patterns that we have as soon as they will be confirmed and formed. That's why this is relatively safe, because you will be able to move your stop to the break even. But if this still will happen, that this head and shoulders pattern will work, you will get the perfect entry point. That's why we should first rely on the technical picture, on the clear facts that we have in the market. That's our major driving factor, major tool that we use to estimate what we should do. So on the daily chart, guys, I do not see something really special right now. It's just adjusting of this hour ABCD pattern slightly lower, since market is creating the new lows here. The major important information stands on intraday charts as yesterday, so on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, as we said, we should do nothing and wait for reaching of the 127 extension. I mean, this is scenario for the bulls. We said that probably it's better to do nothing and just wait when the butterfly pattern will be completed. Here you could try to take the long position, because you will have the context. You have the reversal pattern right at the bottom of the right shoulder on the daily reversal pattern. This also will be stronger. This will be accompanied by the monthly pivot support one. So this pattern is worth of our attention. I mean, this level. And bulls could try to take the long position, because here we could expect at least some kind of such sort of action, such sort of bounce here. That will let you to move your stop to the break even, and then you will turn to the riskless trade. Also, this will be a perfect moment for taking the long position. Recall That's when the market has hit the bottom of the right shoulder. For the first time, we said you could try to enter in some retracement, and we have do this attempt here. Or you could wait for the clear pattern to be formed before taking position. Right now, we're watching for a clear pattern that's now is forming here. What this bounce is, guys, in general. So why market is turning to the upward bounce here? First of all, take a look on the intraday charts. Here it has completed this A, B, C top 1618 extension target. Shows this reaction. Now it has reached the confidence resistance. It's 105.64, 105.67 area. So resistance, so just retracement reaction on the completion of the target. Also, guys, I think that we should keep an eye on right now at this page and take a look. This A, B, C top market has completed minor 618 extension, has formed here nicely looking morning star. Candlestick pattern now stands in upward reaction. So my thought is that this is just a minor retracement, minor reaction on reaching some intraday targets. So one of them is this large ABCD 618 reaction target. It's also this on the hourly chart, it's 1618. That's just reaction on this completion of these targets, and I think that probably market will continue downward action to the 104.80 area. So this butterfly should be completed, and this also will be an area around monthly pivot support one that stands at 104.87. So it's almost has been hit yesterday, but not quite. And this is relatively wide range around this pivot. It's not just some precise numbers. So that's why I think that if you have the bullish view on the market and you would like to take the long position, it's better to wait for completion of the reversal pattern right around strong support. This will be much more reliable area that will, as I said, that could trigger the technical response. If even you will be wrong and market later will continue to move down, the technical response has more chances to appear here because this is strong support. And that will save your money. That will let you to move your stop to the break-even. For the bears, as we said, it's the same scenario as yesterday, so we need to wait for downward breakout here. So let's keep watching what will happen today. But I think, guys, that we also should take into consideration this pattern right now. So it will lead us to 103.64. It will be right precisely at the previous bottom. But as we said, if this really will happen, this will be failure of the hand shoulders pattern. That will be just intermediate target, the first target the market will reach, but this low should be taken out. So market should drop below the bottom of the head and continue move down. If, as I said, daily pattern indeed will fail. So that being said, our trading plan suggests for the bulls completion of this pattern waiting for the 104.80 area, 104.75. For the bears, we need to get the final breakout of this pattern and downward continuation dropping below the monthly pivot support one. In this case, hand shoulders will fail and market will continue to move down. That, guys, is just by my thought. It's just a minor retracement, minor reaction on the completion of some intraday targets. It's 1618 here and 618 of this large ABCD pattern.